Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a must-have for parents on the go, the Graco SnugRide SnugLock LX infant car seat, featuring TrueShield technology. This car seat is designed with safety, comfort, and convenience in mind. So let's dive right into it. Graco SnugRide SnugLock LX car seat review. Safety and comfort for your little one. Choosing the right infant car seat is one of the most important decisions parents make. Safety, comfort, and ease of use are key factors when selecting a product for your baby. The Graco SnugRide SnugLock LX car seat with TrueShield technology is designed to give parents peace of mind while ensuring babies travel comfortably. With thousands of positive reviews and Amazon's choice recognition, this car seat has become a trusted favorite for toddlers. Safety is always the top priority when it comes to infant car seats. The SnugRide SnugLock LX features TrueShield Advanced Side Impact Protection, which provides coverage from head to hips in case of a side collision. The built-in 5-point harness system keeps your child securely in place while the seat is thoroughly side impact tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standards, FMVSS 213. This car seat is designed for rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches tall, giving your baby maximum protection during those early years. One of the most stressful parts of using a car seat can be the installation. Graco has solved this with SnugLock technology, allowing parents to install the seat in less than 1 minute using either the seat belt or latch system. The easy-to-read level indicator ensures correct installation every time, eliminating the guesswork and giving parents confidence on the road. Comfort is just as important as safety, and Graco delivers on both. The seat includes removable quilted newborn head and body supports, keeping your little one cozy and cradled. The adjustable base offers 4 recline positions, allowing you to customize the angle for the perfect fit in your vehicle. Parents also appreciate the silent shade canopy, which adjusts quietly to block sunlight without disturbing a sleeping baby. As every parent knows, convenience makes life easy. The SnugRide SnugLock LX is lightweight, making it simple to carry in and out of the car. The one-hand adjustable handle allows you to manage the seat while juggling other tasks, which is a big help for busy moms and dads. With an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 10,000 reviews, it's clear that parents trust and recommend this car seat. Many highlight its easy installation, secure fit, and comfortable design as standout features. Being an Amazon's choice product also reinforces its reliability and popularity. The Graco SnugRide SnugLock LX car seat with TrueShield technology is a perfect blend of safety, comfort, and ease of use. Whether you're a new parent preparing for your baby's arrival or upgrading your current car seat, this model offers peace of mind and everyday convenience. With its strong reputation and proven performance, it's a smart investment for any family. If you're looking for a car seat that combines safety, comfort, and ease of use, the Graco SnugRide SnugLock LX with TrueShield technology is definitely worth considering. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.